Hello again, my name's John. I'm a retired chef from the northeast of England in the UK, and welcome to my latest video. In this quick video I'll be making these delicious garlic mushrooms. They're quick, easy, delicious and fun to make. If you're having Italian, this makes a fantastic starter. Before I go any further, I'd like to give a quick shout out to this week's Patreon and PayPal donators. And they are Jeanette Ugogi, Jennifer O'Neill and Wendy Schaffer. Thank you very much ladies, it really does help the channel. You can view the ingredients list and full written method for this recipe on the recipe page on my website. I'll leave links at the end and under the video, or just click on the eye icon top right of the screen. Okay, before starting the recipe, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, that's 392 Fahrenheit or gas mark 6. I'm setting mine to 180 Celsius as my oven's fan assisted and it runs about 20 degrees hotter than indicated on the dial. Right, I'll start the recipe by carefully peeling the skin off all 4 mushrooms. Once they're all peeled, cut the stems out and put those aside. They'll become part of the filling a little later. And as these particular stems are a bit on the small side, I'll need a couple of smaller mushrooms to make up the filling. Now I'll be using my mini processor to chop everything small. And if you don't have one of these machines, you'll just have to go old school and use a knife. It'll just take you a little longer. Right, I'll get everything into the machine, and to help the machine perform better, cut everything into smaller pieces. That's the fresh basil and garlic in. If you can't get fresh basil, just use a teaspoon of dried. In goes the quarter of a medium onion. Don't forget the ingredients list and full written method are on the website recipe page now. Time to add the salt and the teaspoon of dried oregano. That just leaves the mushroom stems and olive oil to go in. Try to use a good quality extra virgin olive oil. It does make a difference. Once it's all in, pulse the processor on and off. This allows the larger pieces to fall to the bottom into the blades. If you are using a knife, chop all of the dried ingredients first, then add the olive oil last. Okay, that's all processed small enough now, so I'll transfer it all into a small bowl. This is just to make it a bit easier to spoon into the mushrooms. Alright, time to fill the mushrooms. Place them on a sturdy baking tray. There's no need to grease the tray. Now divide the filling between all 4 mushrooms, making sure you don't overfill them or it will just spill over in the oven. Right, I'll finish those off with some freshly ground pepper and a pinch of sea salt. Now simply get them into the preheated oven and set your timer for 12 minutes. Once these are done, get them out and serve them straight away while they're still piping hot. Another little tip here, don't waste that juice on the tray. It's not oil, it's juice that's came out of the mushrooms and it's flavoured with the garlic and the basil and everything. Just spoon it or pour it over the mushrooms when you serve. Okay, gotta have a taste of one of these. And they are absolutely bursting with flavour. And like I said earlier, this dish makes a great starter, especially if you're having an Italian themed meal. In fact, that's what we call these, our Italian mushrooms. Simply because of the classic Italian ingredients: olive oil, basil, oregano and garlic. I really hope you try these. They're cheap, easy and fantastic. And that's another thumbs up recipe for you to try. And once again, please help support the channel by joining my Patreon appeal for as little as $2 per month, or make a one-off donation via my PayPal page. It really will help keep the channel going. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So, until the next time, be safe in the kitchen and bye for now.